Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Jasper for AI content SEO workflow, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Jasper. Press the Enter key to navigate to the Jasper homepage. Once the page loads, locate the Login button in the top right corner. Click on the Login button to proceed to the login page. Here, you will need to enter your registered email address. Type your email address into the designated field. Next, move to the password field. Enter your password associated with the Jasper account. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. Once your credentials are entered correctly, click on the Login button. Wait for the page to load, and you should now be logged into your Jasper account. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard interface that appears. To start your AI content SEO workflow, locate the Templates option on the left sidebar. Click on Templates to see various content generation templates available to you. Choose the appropriate template for your SEO needs, such as blog post or SEO content. Fill in the required fields to guide Jasper in generating content. This may include keywords, topics, or outlines relevant to your SEO strategy. After filling in all necessary information, click the Generate button. Give Jasper a moment to create your content based on the inputs you provided. Once completed, review the generated content for clarity and relevance. You can make edits directly in the interface if needed. Once satisfied with the content, you can save or export it according to your needs. Remember to follow any additional SEO practices you have in place. After finishing your work, consider logging out for security reasons. To log out, find your profile icon in the top right corner. Click on your profile icon and select the Logout option. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.